Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon Pixma MG2470 printer drivers in Windows 10 by the very simplest way. So let's go. First of all, just click on any link given in the description. We give two links. First link is Mega and the second link is the Google Drive. So I just copy the Mega link and go to the any browser and paste this link and click on URL or click on hit on enter. Then just click on the download button at this website and it start downloading your printer's drivers. Then just click on show all, show in folder, minimize it and drag this file to the desktop. Then just left click it and extract this file at here. Then here is our folder of drivers. Then double click on this folder. In this folder we find drivers and here is our printer's drivers. So minimize it. Then we are going to install this printer on Windows. So just go to the start and type control panel. In control panel just click on devices and printers. In devices and printers go to the top and find add a printer. Click on it. And just click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Just click on add a printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on port. Just click on USB 001, 002, any USB port, 003, 004, any USB port and click on next. Then click on have a disk, browse and our drivers on desktop. So we go to the desktop and find our drivers. So here is our drivers and here is the drivers folder and click on any link or any file and click on OK and here we find Canon MG2400 series printer. So it is the OK. Then click on next and just back it and type 70. Okay, and click on the next and start installing your printer. Then if you want to test page, then click on the test page. So click on finish and check your printer is installed or not by just going to the printers and drivers. So here is our Canon MG2470 printer. So guys, this is the simplest way to install this printer. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.